Hi guys, today we're gonna look at exercise 4 for EUP 1501 assignment number 8. Okay, let us go and look what is needed. Exercise 4. Your company offers a various discounts based on the total cost of products sold. Okay, you are required to create a minimum of 3 different levels of discounts. Create a lookup table for the delivery discounts. In order for you to use a lookup function to calculate the delivery discounts for each order, use the discount table below. Before we go to answer any question, we are first required to create this table. We are required to create this table on our Excel, where there is already exercise 1, 2 and 3. So I have already created my table. There it is, my discount table is here, and mine starts from A23 to D27. Yours may start anywhere. It can be here from age 3 or age 10 or age 23, anywhere where you like to place it. Okay, there's no certain instruction on where to place your discount table. Okay, let us now go to the questions. Let's first look what are the things that we are going to use. Your company offers various discounts based, okay, on the total cost of products sold. Therefore, we're going to use a discount, and we're going to use the total cost. Then we are going to use okay, the delivery discount. Create a lookup table for the delivery discount in order for you to use a lookup. Okay, write a formula in delivery discount. That is where we're going to write our formula to look up the correct delivery discount using total delivery lookup table. Okay, we need to calculate the delivery discount using total delivery and our total cost. Let us go and write a formula for this one. We are required to write a formula for delivery discount. We must use total cost, the discount and total delivery. Okay, the formula that we're going to use here is it is the HLOOKUP. So let's just write our formula, HLOOKUP, then we open our bracket. We are looking, okay, we then select C12. You can write it or just click. There it is. We are looking for discount for total delivery. Okay, let's just select our discount. I have highlighted my discount from A24 to D27. Okay, so from B24 to D27. Let's now put the colons. Okay, there's this thing that was mentioned here. Indicate, okay, the discount of your choice either discount 1, 2 or 3. Again, you must try the different discount options. Okay, for me, my discount of my choice, I'm going to use discount number 3. I want to use discount number 3. Since I want to use discount number 3, I can just, okay, let me first calculate or see which row is my discount number 3 lies on. On row A24, that is our first row, A25 second row, A26 third row, A27 fourth row. So my discount number 3 is in the fourth row. Okay, then we close our bracket. Since we need to use the total, we are looking for the discount for total delivery. We now need to click E12 or just write E12. It's up to you. Okay, wait. Oh, let me start again. My formula, it's HLOOKUP, open bracket, it's C12. Then I select my discount, and then my discount number 3 is on the fourth row. Then I close the bracket and then typed E12. For my computer to calculate, I need to put dollar signs on my formula. I know some computers can calculate without using without including any dollar signs, but my computer need dollar signs to be included. So let's include the dollar signs. Then we say equal to. We say yes. There is our 0.20. We have 20 cents for delivery discount, and I have used discount number 3. We then autofill. There it is. We have our delivery discount for discount number 3. Let's go to the question. Indicate the discount you have used. We have written our formula, and we now need to indicate the discount that we have used, or the discount that you have used. You may use discount number 1, you may use discount number 2, you may use discount number 3. Since I have used discount number 3, I will now show which discount I have used. Okay, according to what I like to do, I want to show that I have used discount number 3 only using colors. Let me show you how. I will highlight discount number 3, then use an orange color. Then I will highlight my delivery discount, and again an orange color. If you can read this data, it tells you that okay, for delivery discount I have used discount number 3. So yes, I have done my exercise 4. I hope you guys are well. I hope you are coping with other exercises. I hope you are done with exercise 1, exercise 2, exercise 3, and now you must do exercise 5. Again, to show the formulas, just click anywhere, hold CTRL, then click the button below escape or above tab. It will just show you the formulas that you have used in order for you to copy to Microsoft Word, then copy to discussions. Okay, I know you know all the stuff because you've done exercise 1, 2 and 3, so there's no need for me to start again and tell you how to do it. So guys, thank you for watching. Comment if you have any unresolved issue, or if you have any disturbing thing, I will look to it. Thank you very much.